Liar! Let's go! Ayan na nga. At syempre, ipapakilala natin ang ating mga characters na nandito. Ready to bring in a unique romantic comedy series at handa na rin siya. Handa na kaya siya tulay? Give it up for our very own Cheska Cabrera.
So, ako si Gabby, and for me, it's easy to judge, and it's easy to be judged din. So, gusto ko lang may makaintindi sa akin. Sana naman maintindihan.
Ay, pagtingin talaga ha, sa kanyang
Hello
guys.
guys, my name is Patrick from Vision and my character is ako si Pogs dito and ako ang magiging mortal na kaaway dito ni Kami. That's it.
Maraming salamat para kilalanin naman natin ang next. We have another charismatic guy to add layers of kilig and depth to my favorite Liars Block athlete and a digital star, Kobe Francisco.
Hi babe, and Arian. It's me, Paula pala. I'm Kobe Francisco. And sa series na to, ako yung magiging best friend ni Pogs. Ayan, tapos ako yung magpapakilig kay Arian. Yeah! Ako magdadagdag din ng hotness sa series na to.
Ay, iba naman. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kobe. At syempre, let's keep the sweetness coming. Completing the cast of My Favorite Liar, we have social media star Angela Balagtas.
Hello po! Good afternoon everyone. I am Angela Balagtas and I am Aria's best friend. And I love making people feel welcome. So lahat kayo, welcome kayo sa buhay ko. Ikaw. Yeah, ang binibigyan ng character ko is like good vibes lang talaga. Ganon. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat again. The cast of My Favorite Liar, palakpakan naman natin. You may now take your seat.